4 years ago, when I joined JLR, I did a deep dive into the supply chain to understand what the skills challenges were. And when I did the deep dive, robotics and automation was the top key technical skills challenge that they faced at that moment in time. And then when Erasmus Plus came around, we had the opportunity to participate in the Skillman project, and it really then gave us an opportunity to look to see how we could address those skills challenges around robotics and automation. We started by engaging with our supply base and bringing them into a workshop at our Castle Bromwich facilities. And we asked the suppliers how their people engaged with robots and automation, and then what skills and knowledge they would want those people to have to make sure that they got the most out of those machines. Then we worked with our provider, BMET College, to look at how we could actually develop that into a curriculum. And as a result, we developed 12 upskilling modules that then the suppliers actually helped us review and develop to make sure they were really fit for purpose to help their people upskill and get the most out of that machinery that they work with on a daily basis.
My role in the Skillman project was to provide the industry expert knowledge in the field of automation and robotics used in the manufacturing sector. The use of robotics in the manufacturing sector is already well established, but that use will increase dramatically as we change the way that we use the labour in the workforce and the new manufacturing techniques are developed. We need good, competent engineers with the right skills and knowledge to effectively implement these robot systems as we create them.
We got involved in the Skillman project through the Supplier Skills Network group through JLR. We've sent 6 robot technicians onto the course for upskilling throughout the period of the course. The robotics qualification is essential to all business across automotive because it is a skill shortage, and if we can encourage people into the industry through a robotics qualification, I think it can be an advantage to everybody. The Skillman project has been essential to RICOR for the upskilling of existing employees, new employees, and we'll continue to use it in the future because of all its benefits.
Any robotic qualification will be a great benefit to ZF from manufacturing engineering, for maintenance and for production technicians. People are the biggest asset to any company. So developing their skills to harness the full potential of the latest manufacturing technology is and will be critical to the improvements in performance of the JLR supply base in the global market.
I think the Skillman programme was really worthwhile for us. We were able to contribute as an automation solution provider rather than a supply chain provider of components to Jaguar Land Rover. We're hoping that we can use this new qualification, new training course as part of our academy programme. We have a lot of apprentices and graduates that join our company every year, and it'll be great to have something to add to that.
We decided to send our maintenance and technician departments to join this program, to upskilling, to give them a little bit of knowledge and skills. This program helped us to reach our KPIs, to improve our business.
Yeah, I'd definitely recommend other people to go on the training courses. I found it really interesting and really helpful for anyone that has to use a robot. Since completing the courses, my team leader has given me a project using Python. And also a lot of the new equipment we have in the factory is coming with robots now, so we have to use the knowledge that we gain from the courses to fix the robots, to fault find and use the robots in general.
ZF are bringing in new machinery with automation, so I know I'll be able to use the knowledge gained on these courses to help me with working on these type of machinery. I would recommend this Skillman courses to other people. There's a very good balance of theory work and practical work, and there's a very good insight into the fundamentals of automation in industry.
I think some cases, a lot of people say, what did you learn on the course? But it's not just that case, it's the case of reinforcing what I already know. So in terms of jogging the robot, I haven't had that much experience. So the course was quite helpful in the sense that I was actually using a robot and seeing how the robot worked and any sort of things that I could do to manipulate the robot using the teach minute, so it was really helpful in that sense.
Nationally, we've been able to expose the outputs of this project to the Automotive Council Skills Working Group. And in actual fact, the chair of that group is also a leading figure in the sector skills group at European Commission level and is also a member of Gear 2030. and he's been able to promote Skillman at the EU level.